Namaste friends, welcome back. This day I am here with an interesting pattern. It's a one row repeat pattern and it is called as Peephole Chevron Stitch. So to make this pattern we require multiples of 10 plus 5 as the foundation chains, and this particular sample I have made with roof tile, hobby store iron, premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, medium weight 4, and its color code is 2045. So I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you for demonstration. So I have made 3 repeats of 10 plus 5, 35 chains. To begin with, make a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4th chain from the hook. Make a double crochet. Place a double crochet in each of the next 4 chains. Sorry. Skip 2 chains and place 1 double crochet each in next 4 chains. Chain 2. So pattern repeat again, 4 DCs in next 4 chains. One each in each of the chains. Skip 2. One DC in each of the next 1 DC each in each of the next 4 chains. So continue the pattern till the end. I shall also complete and get back to you. We have come to the end of the row here. We are ideally left with 7 chains. So skip 2, place 1 DC each in each of the last 5 DCs. Now place 1 more DC in the very last chain. So in the beginning and end of the row we will be having 6 double crochets. Chain 3 and turn, or turn and make a standing twisted double crochet, which is our favorite. Place 1 more double crochet in the very first stitch and place 1 double crochet each in each of the next 4 double crochets. 3, 4. Skip the next 2 double crochets. DC, in each of the next 3 double crochets, and in the chain space DC, chain to DC. Then DC in each of the next 3 DCs. Chain 2, sorry, skip the next 2 and place DC in next 3 DCs. Sorry. Skip 1 and 2 here. It should end up here. DC chain to DC here. So 1 DC in each of the next 3. Again skip 1 and 2 and place 1 DC each, because we are at the end we have to place 1 DC each in each of the stitches, and in the last we need to place 1 extra DC. So this completes our row 2. Row 2 is the pattern repeat row. So at the ends you have 6 double crochets, and in the middle you have the 4 double crochets, either separated by chain 2 space or worked together like this. So you can repeat the pattern for row 2 as the pattern to the length of your desired project. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every day. Please do like and subscribe, and please do like, subscribe and share. So I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.